Now, how long has the contest been running, and when will it end?
Well, this is our first ever Donegal beer growing contest for the Irish Festival. So it ends March 11th with the big judging of the best king of beards, I guess, for Jefferson County in the North Country, the Tri-County area. We'll have a team of people researching their beards and checking them out, checking the thickness, the style, and just kind of seeing which one best represents the Donegal style beard.
Great,
Yeah.
great. Now, for the person that has the best beard and is crowned the Beard King,
that's right.
What can they be expecting?
Well, we've got a couple of gifts we're going to be giving out, but the one thing that people want to take home with them is the grand prize, this bronze statue. It stands about 12 inches tall. It'll have the name of the festival and the first ever Donegal Festival or beard growing contest, a winner on it. So it's really for bragging rights is really what it is. There'll be some kind of gifts that we give out, incidental gifts that go along with it, but that's the one thing that people want to take home and treasure for the year that they were the #1 beard grower for Jefferson County or the Tri-County area.
Well, it sounds like good bragging rights to
Yeah,
me.
it's fun.
Now, let's talk a little bit about the Irish Festival that
Sure.
we've got coming up here soon. Is there anything new going on this year that people can look forward to?
This is a big, big year. We're looking at big acts this year. We have a group called the High Kings coming in, international stars coming direct from Ireland. We have a band called McPeak, which again is a chieftain-style band. It's incredibly well-renowned across the globe. We're able to bring them in for our festival, so we're very excited about that. We have the pageant on Friday. That's, we have loads of people that come to check out and find out who Miss Ireland's going to be, so we're very excited about that. This year is our 26th annual, so we're going to have a lot of great events. Sunday is Kids Day, and we just hope everybody comes down March 10th to the 13th, right to the Dulles State Office building. It's great fun for a great cause.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming to speak with me today, Sean.
Thank you, Holly.
This has been Holly Boname for MyABC50.com.